guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna create this look that I have right here. So if you wanna see how I got this look, please keep on watching. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I used the ColourPop pomade in the color Banging Brunette and Dope Taupe. So to start off, I'm gonna be using again the creamsicle color. I'm gonna top off the excess and I'm gonna start applying it in my crease, only in the crease right now. So now I'm gonna use Pukey right here in the outer V, inner V, and crease. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm going to apply a little bit of mocha right here, just a tiny bit, on the outer V and inner V of the eye. If you're down, I'll take it slow, make you lose control. 'Cause if you're down, 'cause if you're down, 'cause if you're apply the color and enchant it right here. It's a dark green. And apply it in the outer V and inner V of the eye. So now with this brush, I'm gonna blend it out. Alright, so first I'm gonna apply Queen right here in the middle part of my lid. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my setting spray in the brush. Alright, now I'm gonna apply in the center. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply the Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop in the color Thirsty Girl. Gonna apply it on top of the gold. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply eyeliner in the upper lash line, really close to the lashes. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. That's right. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer in green to prime my face. Alright, so now that I apply the face primer, I'm gonna apply foundation. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect in color Sand Beige. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Better Skin in the color light. Alright, so to set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Alright, for bronzer, I'm going to use the ColourPop with Alexis Ren Face Duo in the color Topaz. I'll use this one right here. Cause if you're down, I'll take it slow. Make you lose control. Cause if you're down, cause if you're down, cause if you're down. Now I'm gonna apply lashes. I'm gonna be using the Allure in Opulent. This is how they look. But first I'm gonna prep my lashes. I'm gonna use the Voluminous from L'Oreal. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the same colors I did on the crease. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna use the Colossal by Maybelline. And for highlight, I'm gonna use the Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use Coco K and Dolce K from Kylie Cosmetics. Even when I'm away, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby, I like it slow. And now some setting spray from e.l.f. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Nobody